what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Key. And if you're new here, don't forget the subscribe button. Also, don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. Today guys, we are doing another Ipsy package. I could not wait to show you guys. I know I've been gone a long time. I had so much stuff going on and I could not wait to get back to you guys, but I am back and I'm gonna show you guys what they sent me for Christmas this year. All right, so it came in like this little cute, to me I think of it as like Santa's bag, you know what I mean? Like, I think it's so cute. It's all soft and furry, like it's just amazing. Like, I would love one of these jackets. Like, I think that I might actually go out and get a jacket like this because these are so warm. So let's open up and see what they got me. Okay, so the first thing is, and the box came like this, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it came all dinged up and busted up. Like, I hope like stuff doesn't always come like this, but hopefully the product inside is still good. But yes, this is Total Skincare. It is Soap Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. It is clean and effective. It is a probiotic skincare. I've never seen nothing like this where they have a probiotic for your skin. I think that is just amazing. Let's see what it looks like inside. It says probiotics and superfoods, and yeah, it looks like this. I think it's like in a cream, and let's see. I think it comes out in a cream. I'll have to open it really good. I think it'll come out in a cream. It has the little seal on it. Alright, I'm definitely gonna be using that. The next thing is, ooh, okay, I finally got my Morphe. This one is a high scalp and shimmer highlight and contour palette. Palette illuminator and contouring. And I've been waiting for my Morphe products from Ipsy for so long. I love Morphe, and Morphe is expensive, but when you can get everything for $25 a month, you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So let's see. This palette is about. Oh, and they got it wrapped up in the bubble wrap, so you know it's good when they got it in bubble wrap. Yes, honey, yes, I love it. Okay, so okay, yes, they came through. They are clutch. That is cute. I'm trying to get my fingers in it, but that is cute. I love that palette. Definitely gonna be using this palette a lot. The Morphe palette along with everything else. So I'm gonna stack this over here with everything. All right. The next thing is, ooh, I didn't get this one palette. I got two. Okay, so this is called Moods by Laura Sanchez. And it looks so good. Like, it looks yummy. Like on the back, that stuff looks yummy. Like, it makes me just want to dive right into this palette and figure out like everything that it has to come with it. Let's see. And this is how the front of the case looks. Amazing. Okay, so okay, yes, I love the colors, and the colors are vibrant. They're very vibrant. This is how the colors came, and I think it's on the back of the box. Let's see. One side of the box is called Mamacita, and the other side is called Diosa. Okay. Because these palettes up here, they didn't really, for these colors, they didn't really give like a name. It just has different symbols on the back. That is pretty cool. So we're definitely gonna have things for different styles for that palette. And let's see. Ooh, okay. And they gave me some brushes. It came in a bag, guys, but I just took everything out and just had it as is. So everything could fit in there. I think I got all okay. So they sent me a whole bunch of brushes, and I'm glad because I needed more brushes for my makeup. And let's see, they sent me, a tapered one. They sent me a flat angle brush, a kabuki brush. I don't know what that's for, but we're gonna make use of it. And a contour blending, which I always need. They always, like, I'm gonna always need a contour blending brush, definitely. Without a doubt, I'm gonna need it. And then last but not least, they sent me the Rock Out and Lash Out Mascara. And it has a guitar type brush. And honestly guys, when they said a guitar type brush, I didn't know they meant like the shape of a guitar. I thought it was gonna look like an actual guitar on the end. I don't know, but I was thinking it was just a spur of the moment type thing. But this is actually pretty cute. And like, I think this will bring a lot of volume to the lashes. I think it'll be pretty cool. But yes, this is the mascara. And I believe there is a card. And the card always has a lot of things in here. That gives you ways to DIY or de-stress your hair. This one says a ripe banana helps prevent breakage. 1 ripe avocado adds moisture and shine. And 2 tablespoons of avocado oil is an antioxidant and scalp health. So they give you the directions here on how to make that recipe to distress your hair, which is really cool. And then to lighten up your skin, they give you a recipe for that too. It is 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. It's a lactic acid, gently exfoliates. 2 tablespoons of Manuka honey is naturally anti-inflammatory. And 2 tablespoons of finely ground oatmeal, it soothes the redness. So I definitely heard that oatmeal does help your skin. It takes out the redness and brings your face back to life. And then it also tells you how to do that one too. And also they are showing me the Glam X bag. I have not like switched over to the Glam X bag yet, but I definitely want to. You can actually get 7 to 8 full-size products worth up to $350, and you can choose. So that's a good thing. And you guys, it is just a great bag that I got this for December, and I actually like it. I can't wait for my next bag. And that's all I have for my Ipsy, and I hope you guys love the bag and what I have in it. I cannot wait until I get my next bag for January for the new year. There's probably going to be a lot of good stuff in there. It always is good stuff that's very useful, stuff that you guys will always want to have. And yeah guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys.